Welcome to Object Volcano, the object show set in a volcano. Here are the contestants. Is it just me, or is it getting really hot here? Your first challenge is to be dramatic. The most dramatic person wins immunity. No! Why? Did I win? I mean, it's not dramatic enough. Hey, I'm gonna make you win, okay? What? Now that is dramatic. Congratulations, Scribble. You win immunity. I helped him win, so I should win immunity. I don't care. Vote to eliminate any of these guys. Voting ends in 2 days. How is your grass still alive? It's really hot here. My grass is fake. Hey, can I have some fresh air? Sure. Whoa! Elimination time. We got 9 votes. Let's see the results. It's a 3-way tie, so I decide who leaves. It's Dots. Bye-bye. Wait, what? What about Scribble? He's still dead. Well, your next challenge is to find a way to revive Scribble. Creationy wins immunity. Who will leave? You decide. By voting using a letter in square brackets. Hey, Creationy, how did you revive Scribble? Nice. Elimination time. We got 11 votes and Paper Bucket is eliminated. Bye, guys. Your next challenge is pass the parcel. If when you unwrap the parcel, it is green, you win immunity. Tornado, you will start. Let's try that again, shall we? It's not going to work. Yay. That's not fair. We didn't even get a chance. I still find it unfair that you didn't give us a chance. Hey Scribble, don't you find it unfair that he didn't give us a chance? Yeah, we should totally fight back. Fake Grass, you're eliminated. You didn't. Your next challenge is to not talk. Creationy's out. Wait, that counts. Yes, of course it counts. Why is everyone so dumb? Who would you like to leave? Hey, I wonder where the eliminated contestants go. Oh yeah. I wonder who will be up here next. You pushed me in the lava in episode 1. Time to get my revenge. Wait, but... Elimination! Scribble, you're going with me. One of you 4 are rejoining. Nah, I'd rather stay here. It's kinda cool up here, actually. It's better than being in a volcano. Vote for who you want to rejoin Object Volcano. Creation is our only way to revive someone. So if he dies, what will happen? How did you do that? Hey, isn't it cool to be cool? Why are you asking me this? I'm bored. Rejoin time! Wait, someone's coming back? Yeah, it's Dots with 10 votes. I forgot he existed. Hey guys, your next challenge is to stay on the platform the longest. Don't push Creationy. Without him, death is permanent. Okay. Ah! Uh-oh. Ah! Oh! Dots wins! Yay! Vote for someone to leave the show. I don't know how we'll revive them without Creationy, but we'll find a way. Elimination time. I guess I choose Plate. You know, I want the contestants back. That's cool. You're eliminated, Plate. No! Your next challenge is to guess the number I'm thinking of. 23. I don't really know what to say here. Tornado, what is that? Huh? It's our audience. So you put more people inside the volcano? Dots eliminated. Damn. Your next challenge is to get the audience out of the volcano. Let me kick you out. Do you want to fly up? Creationy wins immunity. Whoever gets the least votes will advance to the final of Object Volcano. I don't know why, but I keep on getting this feeling that this volcano is going to erupt soon. It's almost the end of the show. Wait, where am I going? Where did Tornado go? Tornado was eliminated. We have made it to the final 2 of Object Volcano. Woo! And this will be our last episode. Uh-oh, this volcano is about to erupt. But I had a really good challenge planned. Okay. What is this? Is this where we are? You're awake. Now we can do the final of Object Volcano. Our contestants will decide who wins this show. Whatever side you pick is the person you want to win Object Volcano. Well, that means Creationy wins Object Volcano. That's our ride. Let's leave this island. Hey, host? Yeah? What even is the prize? Some money. Oh, that's cool.